Hi, I'm Sam from Betta Blinds, and today I'm going to show you how to install our new type of Veri shade called Veri Easi. The first thing you'll notice are the clips are different. These are actually welded onto the blade. In the track, we no longer have pegs, they're J-hooks. So a J-hook is what we use for our verticals. So basically the first thing I'm going to do is turn the end blade on its side until it goes onto that hook. Then I'll follow with my second one. The end hook will only hold one clip, and as you go along, the hooks will share two clips. So we no longer have to join the clips together. As you can see, it was a very easy and quick install, and your installers are going to love it.